Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am channeling Naomi Campbell. And do you remember, maybe 3 years ago on YouTube, I used to recreate a lot of celeb makeup looks? Well, I have restarted that series, but on Instagram. In case you are interested in knowing what I used for this look, guys, on my face, it's just a powder foundation, no concealer. Guys, head on over to Instagram. Alrighty. Couple of weeks ago, I uploaded this video called Skincare Lies That Was Told to You. You guys liked it so much. You guys wanted me to make a part 2, and I am actually going off on the comments that you guys commented on. So basically, these are all lies that you pointed out, and then I realized, oh yeah, I did especially lie number 1. I'm like, how the hell did I miss that one? But guys, I was just looking at my list and I remembered something else. Like 70% of you watching this video is not subscribed to my channel. Don't you like my Naomi looks? Why? And I wonder why. Click that subscribe button, join this family officially, and let's get started. So, skincare lie that has been told to us by skincare brands and DIYers, YouTubers, our mothers, our aunties, our nannies, our grandmother, everybody in this whole wide world. If you are an Asian, fairness. How about that fairness mask? Apply turmeric on your face every single day and you're gonna be white. Apply yogurt on your face, and can we even talk about the fairness creams that is coming out in the market? We've spoken so much about fairness cream on this channel. So many other people have spoken about Fair and Lovely and other fairness creams on their channel. Like, there's this huge movement against fairness creams, and I still see some brands coming out with fairness creams. Like, why? Why, mama, why? Here is my simple question I ask everybody who talks about fairness creams. If fairness creams worked, all of us Asians would be white in color. This whole world, in fact, would be white in color, okay? We wouldn't have this diverse, beautiful skin tones. Everybody would look like this. Do I look like this? No. Do I want to look like this? No. Now I'm specifically talking to my Indian girls. If you get out of India and go to Lebanon or go to like these European countries, you have no idea how much they love your skin color. This brown color, they love it. So you are applying all of these bleaching products and all of these fairness products, which are not good, to take away a color that is just so unique and so beautiful. It's just there in our part of the world, and why would you want to remove it? My point is, and always has been, that every single skin tone is beautiful, and these fairness creams, coming back to our main point, fairness creams do not work. This has been the biggest lie of this century. So point number 2, products that increase hair volume and hair thickness. DIY hair masks work in strengthening your hair roots, and making it strong and grow faster, grow shiny, repairing. So DIY hair products works in a lot of different ways, but you know what my natural hair looks like. If I apply a bunch of bought products or DIY products, I'm never gonna have hair this thick. It's a wig, by the way, what I'm wearing today. I'm never ever gonna have hair that is this thick, because the hair from my root, my genetics, I have fine hair, I have thinner hair. So no matter what I do, no matter what DIY I do, no matter what product I use on my scalp, it's just not gonna make my hair as thick as this. Okay, so that is a lie. Lie number 3 is products and DIYs that get rid of male pattern baldness. I know how painful it can be for men who are beginning to lose hair and who have lost hair, especially if it is in your early 20s. But when somebody promises you with a product that can reverse male pattern baldness or fix it or treat it, it's just not true, and I feel really sad for anyone who falls into that belief, because it gives you a ray of hope and it doesn't work, and that brings disappointment. So I want to say right now that male pattern baldness, just like fairness, if those products worked, male pattern baldness wouldn't exist in today's world. There is no secret product that one set of men know and one set of men do not know. A really popular treatment to get rid of male pattern baldness is hair transplant, in which they actually take hair from your own head and transplant it back into emptier spots on your head. Or there are those hair patches, like the clip-in hair things, and temporarily have a full head of hair, and I think that works perfectly as well. Another thing you can do is you get those fiber powders, which you can put it on your balder spots. It works amazingly. You wash it, you take a bath, it washes away, so it's such a pain-free inexpensive temporary fix to male pattern baldness or a little bit of balding. And this male pattern baldness, it's not specific to men, even women go through it. Lie number 4, the number of DIYs I've seen on YouTube that says reversing gray hair. Cannot happen, guys. So no matter how much henna you apply or egg you apply or I don't know what other products these DIY uses, it's not gonna go into the roots and fix the melanin producing factor and create more melanin and make your hair black again or brown again. It's just not gonna happen. Lie number 5 is lightening your elbows, knees, and your private parts. This makes me angry in so many levels, especially the private part. Like, why does this exist? And people put very harmful things down there. You can get infections, you can burn your skin, because the skin down there is a very soft, sensitive skin, guys. You cannot be putting bleaching products down there. It's just not good for your ecosystem down there. Don't be doing that, okay? Don't be burning your skin with lemon, and I don't even know what else again these DIYs or these products use. Let's speak about the elbow and knee. There is a really good video made by Dr. Dre here on YouTube. So basically, the skin on elbow and knee is not the same skin that we have on the rest of the body. So applying a little bit of lemon or curd or whatnot is not going to change the color of your elbow or your knee. It's not gonna work. Not gonna work. Okay, guys? And finally, lie number 6, guys, we're coming back to hair, and this is DIY natural hair straightening DIYs. Like, do I even have to get in there? Like, if these DIYs worked, okay, applying a little bit of banana on your hair and hoping that it would straighten your hair, like, why would the straightening iron manufacturers continue to manufacture straightening irons? It just doesn't work. You know what? I don't even know how to explain it. It just doesn't work. And that brings us to the end of this video, and I want you to tell me more. Have I still missed some lies that I've been told? Leave them down in the comment section below. Let's continue this conversation so that we can be more knowledgeable. We can be more vigilant, okay? Alright. Also, if you like this video, guys, you know what to do. Please go ahead and click that like button just underneath this video. It really does help me out. And thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna wait here for you to type in your comments and I will come and join you. Alright, then I shall see you on my Instagram. I love you. Mwah. Bye.